Hello to all the buyers on the Stocklear platform. I am very happy to be with you today live from Leurs, our warehouse in the north of France, to present a new batch from Grover. Grover, which you probably already know, is a major retailer in Germany specializing in renting high-tech products to individuals. These products are rented for between 1 to 5 years, on average 2 to 3 years of rental. Then the products come back to us, arrive on the Stocklear platform, in different conditions. It ranges from new with original packaging to non-functional, including functional used. Read the small blue bubble at the bottom of the cover photos carefully. It defines the quality and you will understand it better. And to go further, you can download an Excel file that details all the information at the product line. There are even sometimes comments on the damage or defects that the product might have at the product line on certain offers. There you go. Today we're going to present a batch of air clean, everything that is air purifier, air conditioning, from different brands. We have Samsung, DeLonghi, Dyson. There you go. So this is functional second-hand. These are products that have been used, that are second-hand, but that work. So here we have taken out a few. It's a sample. There are 2 DeLonghi, 1 Samsung, and 1 Dyson. We just opened the Dyson Purifier Cool, and we plugged it in. So we're going to test it with you. Does it work or not? I confirm that it works. It's on speed 10. The LCD screen also works with the gauge and the air is nice and cool. It is in very good condition. I don't see any signs of wear. It even seems cleaned. In any case, there is no dust. Everything is rather clean. And an important thing also regarding the accessories, etc. You have here normally, the filters are already inside. It seems to be in good condition anyway. And then we wanted to show you one of the 2 DeLonghi. So the reference is the Pinguino from DeLonghi. So here, as an accessory, we had quite a few things, notably the hood of, what do you call it? A kind of hood to expel the air. There are also seals. There are small protections. We have the user manuals. There is the remote control. It's important, and you will follow us. We plugged it into another outlet over there. Here we are in front of the Pinguino from DeLonghi, so still in working condition. I plug it in. First it turns on immediately. Power button, 32 degrees, in air conditioning mode, high speed. If I press mode, I can change the mode air conditioning, and to make it work, several speeds, and it works very well. It's cool air coming out. There, so it is really in very good condition. Here there is a slight cosmetic defect, very slight. It really looks like a small scuff, maybe a small scuff, but otherwise the overall condition is really very good. Here is an example of a product. We will continue, we will go back there. 2 examples of functional used products on air conditioners, air purifiers from several brands at Grover. You will find this product on Stocklear. Feel free to chat with us at the bottom right of your screen via the little blue bubble. Above all, remember to enter a delivery address in your Stocklear account to get automatic shipping quotes. This will give you shipping costs, and you can add them to the lot cost to get a total price, a total purchase amount for the lots. We wish you good bidding and see you soon.